I'll be taking after that. Let me take the pair of linear equation at first. So let's say we are having one of
Ma'am,
the
excuse me, ma'am.
yeah, please tell me.
Ma'am, this is based on the elimination method.
Yeah, what?
This question is based on the elimination method.
Yeah, elimination method. You know elimination method, no?
Yes, ma'am. I was just confirming it.
Yeah. Okay. Just a moment. So let's say we are having pair of linear equation as one of the equation is x plus y is equals to 5 and another one is twice x minus 3y is equals to 4. Okay. Pair of linear equation we are having. We have to solve it by using the method of elimination. Okay. I'm not saying the method of substitution, method of elimination. Can you please tell me, Harshit, what can be done at first? This one is equation number 1. This one is equation number 2. So what to do at first? If we want to go ahead with by using the method of elimination.
Ma'am, so first we'll be like multiply to make the same variable by why we can multiply it by 2 from equation 1.
Yeah.
So it will become same. Then after that we'll subtract both of them and we'll get the value of y, and we can later substitute the value of y in any equation.
Exactly. Perfect. That's what we have to do over here. Yes, Diana, can you please tell me what to do if we want to go ahead by using method of elimination?
Ma'am, we will make the coefficients equal.
Yeah.
So
any one of the coefficients, that is either x or y, right?
Yeah. So we'll multiply equation 1 with 2 and
Yeah, we will multiply equation 1 by 2. And if I am saying that I want to multiply equation 1 by 3, will it give us the solution if we will multiply equation 1 by 3 instead
yes,
of 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. Because we are having either we will make the coefficient of x same or we will make the coefficient of y same. Okay, so yeah, we can multiply with 2. Let's take 2 only. We can multiply equation 1 by 2. So equation 1 will become, Harshit, can you please tell me, equation 1 will become
2x plus 2y is equal to 10.
perfect. And equation 2 is as it is twice x minus 3y is equals to 4. Now we just need to add or subtract.
Ma'am, subtract.
Subtract. Yes, Diana, do we need to subtract this 2 equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. We need to subtract this 2 equation. All right. Okay. So by subtracting this 2 equation, we will be able to get the value of y. Once we will be having our y, then we can go ahead, we can substitute y in any one of the equation, then we will get x. Okay, so the method of elimination is clear to you. Let's take word problem. Previous day we were solving word problem. Today also we will continue that, and today we will finish this chapter also. Okay, so one of the question is like this. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of ₹50 and ₹100 she received. Here at first we need to frame the equation. Then if nothing is mentioned, then we can go either by the method of substitution or by the method of elimination. Okay. So first thing first, we need to frame the equation. Yes, Harshit, can you tell me how to frame the equation? What will be our equation? What will be the assumption?
Ma'am, from the assumption, we can take the notes, 25 notes at X and Y, and the total number is money withdraw is rupees 2000.
Yeah. So if we are assuming that number of nodes are X and Y, then the first equation will become, yes, Ziana. First equation will become, read the statement carefully. She went to bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her ₹50 and ₹100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of this and this she received. See, whenever we are having this type of question, we don't know what to take as assumption, which one to take as a X, which one to take as a Y, what should be taken as a consideration. So first we will see the last statement. What is asking in this question? Find how many notes of ₹50, ₹100 she received. Okay, how many? Of 50, of 100. So we can say of 50 there are X notes which are of 50 rupees. There are Y notes which are of 100 rupees. Okay, number of notes, these are number of notes we are assuming. Number of notes, there are X notes which are of ₹50. There are Y notes which are of ₹100. Okay, now the first statement, it says that she went to bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give 50 rupees and 100 rupees note only. So in total she is getting 2000 rupees, which consist of this 50 rupees note, which X notes are there, 100 rupees note, Y notes are there. If this is making you confused, let me give you one real life example. Suppose I am having of three notes of ₹50 and 5 notes of ₹100. Then what is the total amount I am having? Can you tell me, Harshit,
150,
Ziana?
eight, eight notes of 150.
Yeah, what?
I'm saying it like 8 notes of 150.
Okay, 8 notes of 150. If we will take, do you want to take 8 notes of 150? That's what you are saying, Harshit?
Yeah, I'm saying the total will be the 8 notes of one.
Oh, total amount I am asking. I am asking what will be the total amount? Like 50 rupees plus 50
2000.
rupees plus 50 rupees.
Mm.
Total 3 notes are there.
2000.
Which will give, yes, Ziana, you are saying something. Please tell me.
And the total will be 2000.
Total will be
2000.
2000. Let's count it. Let's count it. 3 notes of 50 rupees. One note 50 rupees, another note 50 rupees, another note 50 rupees. 5 notes of 100 rupees. 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 100 and 100. Let's count it. So let's count the 100 one at first. So 500. Can you
Um,
see? 1, 2,
total will
3,
be 650.
500. Yes. Total will be 650. Are you getting it? How we will get this 650 without making this type of diagram? Directly we need to do the multiplication. What we have to do, when we will multiply 3 notes of 50, when you will do the multiplication, 3 into 50, it will give you 150 rupees total. And when you will multiply this 5 with 100, 5 note of 100, when you will do the multiplication, you will get 500. And when you will add this 2, directly you will get 650. Are you getting the point? Number of note into the, like, whatever the note consists of. Is it of 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees? We have to multiply each note's the like amount which is mentioned over there. So if 3 notes are there for 50 rupees, 5 notes for 100, we can do the multiplication, and at last we can do the addition. Similarly, if I will tell you there are 6 notes which are of 50 rupees, and there are 10 notes which are of 100 rupees, then total amount will be, please tell me what will be the total amount. Just by doing the multiplication, we will get the total amount. Please let me know. Ziana, Harshit.
1030, ma'am.
What you said, Harshit?
1030.
1030. Let's check. Yes, Ziana, first you tell me what are you getting. This is Harshit's response.
Ma'am, I got 1300.
10.
1300.
1300. Okay. Okay, let's check. Okay, 6 note, 50 rupees. So 6 into 50. Total amount 6 5 times 30. 300 rupees we are getting. 10 note, 100 rupees. So 10 into 100. That means 1000 rupees we are getting. 1000 rupees we are getting from here, and 300 rupees we are getting from here. So 1000 rupees plus 300 rupees in total is 1300 rupees. Are you getting it? Yes, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have, maybe you have done both the calculations separately. It's perfect. But the addition, while doing the addition, you have written it 1030, right?
Yes, ma'am. That is nice.
Yes, exactly. I can understand. So please be careful. Yes, Diana, it's perfect. It will be 1300. So we have understood. Now we have understood how to do the calculation. When X notes are there, let's get back to our consideration. Let's get back to our assumption. X notes are there, which is of denomination 50. X notes. Number of notes are not 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not 2, 3, 4, 5. It's X notes are there, which is of denomination 50. So the total amount will be X into 50, can we say? Yes or no? Can we say X into 50 we will do, and it will give the total
Yes,
amount?
ma'am.
Plus
Yes,
more amount we are having. Y note, number of notes are Y, which is of denomination 100. Number of notes are Y, which is of denomination 100. So plus Y into 100, can we say, is equals to the total amount which we were getting. Just now we have got the total amount by adding both. What is total amount in this question? Please let me know, Harshit and Ziana.
2000.
2000. Perfect. We got one of the equation. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion over here?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Ziana, is it clear? Ziana?
no, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ziana. Now the next one is, the next statement is, read it carefully and let me know what will be the next equation. This is our equation number 1. What will be the second equation? Because we are doing pair of linear equations, so there has to be pair. This is a single equation we have got. What is the another one? Yes, please let me know. Read this statement carefully. Can you see this underlined? This rectangular boxed one?
Yes, ma'am.
What can be the next equation?
25x plus y is equal to 2000.
25x plus y. 25 nodes in all. There are 25 nodes in all. Okay. Number of nodes are 25 in all. Yes, Yana, do you want to say anything before I start explaining?
Ma'am, is
So,
it?
so ma'am, it will be like 25, then in bracket x plus y is equal to 2000.
Now we will not use 2000. Number of
Ma'am,
nodes.
ma'am,
Yes,
is it x plus y equals to 25?
exactly. Number of node, Harshit, we have taken as a x in one of the case. In the other case, we have taken number of node as y. Okay, number of node. So total number of node is 25. Can you see? Can I write x plus y is equals to 25? Harshit,
Yes, ma'am, now I understand. Okay.
getting it?
X plus y is equal to 25. Second
Getting?
equation.
Here we will not take 2000 because we don't have to calculate the amount. Okay, it's just like the notes, separate notes we are having. X notes are there which are of 50 rupees, y notes are there which are of 100 rupees. Total how many notes are there? 25 notes are there. That's it. Okay, now we just have
Yep.
to solve it either by using the method of substitution or by using the method of elimination. Here if you will focus, we can reduce this equation number 1. Can you tell me how to just reduce this equation number 1 by taking the common factor?
Ma'am, we can take like out 50 and 100, that will be 150. Then in bracket x plus y, then we can just transport there, and it will be 2000 minus 150.
Yeah, we can take common factor, but what will be the common factor, Harshit? Be careful, yes, Yana. What will be the common factor over here?
2
X.
5,
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, what will be the
5.
common factor?
Ma'am, x and y.
50 is there, 100 is there. Here 50 is there, here 100 is there. If I want to take a number as a common, what will be that number?
5.
And what else?
2, ma'am.
Can we take, yes, Yana, first you think about it, let me know, then we will be discussing it. Yes, Harshit, easily you will be able to take it out a bigger number instead of 5 and 2. 50 is there, 100 is there, 50 is there, 100 is there. A number I want to take common which must be there in both.
50,
Common
ma'am.
factor.
50 it will be. 50 then.
Exactly. We can take out 50, okay, as a common factor, and then whatever you said, we can transpose it to other side. Yes, we are going to do that. So we will be taking 50 common. Ziana, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We will be taking 50 common, remaining is x. Here, what is remaining in the second part? What will be
25.
there? 2y,
25. 2. 2y is, ma'am.
2y or 20y. Check it, 50. How many times it's 100?
So it's 2, ma'am. 2.
It's 2. Okay. x plus 2y is equals to 2000, and then you said that we can transpose this 50 to other side, so it will become x plus 2y is equals to what? Harshit and Ziana, please let me know what will be there on the right hand side.
2000 upon 50.
That is
40.
40.
2000 upon 50, that is 40. Yeah, this is our equation number 3. Now we just have to deal with equation 3 and equation 2, which we are having x plus y is equals to 25. Now you tell me which method we can apply here. If we want to go by using elimination method, what to do over here now? Harshit and Ziana.
Ma'am, we can multiply these the next x plus 25 by the 2.
Without doing multiplication, Harshit, is it not possible to go ahead and
Ma'am.
eliminate any one of the variable without doing multiplication?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am, it is possible.
If it is possible, we will not do multiplication. Why we will do multiplication? We can save our time, and main thing in our board exam, what we need to do, we have to save the time as well. Apart from solving the question, we have to save the time. Okay, so here if that is possible, we will do that only. Okay, we will not do the multiplication with 2. Yes, Diana, do we need to multiply with 2? Ziana,
No, ma'am.
you are not well.
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, because today you sound so low. Every day you respond so quickly. Okay. Yes, without even doing the multiplication with 2, we can get it. Okay. What we can do, we can just do the addition or subtraction. Let me know. Are we going to add this 2 equation or
Ma'am,
subtract this 2
subtract.
equation? Subtract. Okay. Because here, when we will do the subtraction, let me clear. When we will do the subtraction, when x is there and x is there, if you will add them, x plus x will become 2x, which we don't want. The method of elimination says to eliminate any one of the variable, to remove the variable. Eliminate means to remove it. So we want to just get rid of this x. To get rid of this x, to eliminate this x, to remove this x, what to do? Subtraction. So that x minus x will become 0. One more thing you can keep in mind, when already the sign is same, then we have to do the subtraction. When the sign is not same, then we have to do addition. Suppose one is positive, another is negative, then when this type of scenario is here, then we will do addition. Automatically it is becoming 0. Why to just create the problem by doing the subtraction? Because subtraction sign will reverse each and every sign again. Already everything is in favor, then we will be doing the addition. Listen to me carefully. When already the sign is opposite sign, plus 2 minus 2, already opposite sign is there, we have to add in such scenario. Okay, when the same sign is there, minus x is there, or plus x is there, this time we have to do the subtraction. Because what we need one positive, another negative. If already both are same, exactly same, the coefficient is same, either of x or y, then we have to check whether the sign is same or opposite. If opposite sign, then add them, because addition sign will not change anything. Okay, if same sign you are having, if both are minus minus, if both are plus plus, then we have to subtract them. Here same sign is there, x is there, we will be doing the subtraction. Or by common sense also, just by logic also, we can see x minus x will be 0, so subtraction. So we can do the subtraction like this: x plus 2y minus x plus y is equals to 40 minus 25. Okay, so x plus 2y minus x minus y is equals to 40 minus 25, that is
15.
15. Okay. So this 2 got cancelled. 2y minus y is only y, that is 15. Why we got 15? Harshit and Ziana, please find x value and let me know what are you getting as a x value.
Ma'am, X will be 20.
X equals to 20. Check it, Ziana. Are you getting same x?
Ma'am, X will be 10.
X you are getting as a 10.
10. Yeah.
Okay, let me check. Suppose we are which equation you have used, Harshit? Equation 1, 2 or 3? Which one?
Ma'am, 2.
Okay, you have used 2. That is x plus y is equals to 25. So x, y is 15 is equals to 25. X equals to 25 minus 15. Can you see we are getting 10?
Yes, actually, ma'am, so I have just put it 5 over there. So yeah, 10 will be the answer. Sorry.
Yeah, 10 will be the answer. Okay. Yes, Ziana, 10 will be the answer. Let's summarize everything whatever we have done here. Let's see the question, because this type of question here and there always you will be getting. Meena went to bank to withdraw this amount 2000, and she asked the cashier to give her rupees 50, this rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. So she want rupees 50 note and rupees 100 notes only. She Mina got 25 notes in all. So in all she is having 25 notes. Find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. First thing first, whenever you will get confused, which one to take as an assumption, which one to take as a x, which one to take as a y, just see the last statement. Find what, so that in 90% of the cases, this find how many notes, this finding part will guide you which one to take as a assumption. Here rupees 50 note, rupees 100 note, that means how many notes are there, how many notes are there which is of 50 rupees, and how many notes are there which is of 100 rupees. Okay, we don't know that. So we are taking, let's say 50 rupees note, 50 rupees, 50 rupees, 50 rupees. How many notes are there? How many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40. How many notes are there? So we don't know that. We are saying, let's say X notes are there. X notes are there. Be careful. This X is a number. This X is a number. X can be 5, X can be 4, X can be 2, X can be 10, the way we have got. Okay, that much notes we are having. Now one more denomination is there, that is 100, 100, 100. How many notes are there, that also we don't know. So we are saying that 50 rupees notes, X notes are there, 100 rupees Y notes are there. Okay, now we have to do the calculation, because total amount we know that is 2000. So we understood by taking few examples that if we are having 6 notes of rupees 50 and 10 notes of rupees 100, then if we will do the multiplication separately one by one and then we will add them, then we will get the total amount. That we have seen by taking one of the example. Okay, this is how we always do the calculation. This is how in banks also they do the calculation, that we are having 25 notes of rupees 2000. So total amount will be 25 into 2000. Okay, on each note 2000 is written. How many notes are there? 25 notes are there. That's why we are doing the multiplication. It's just like that, that we want to, like we are going to market, there is a shop, and suppose there is a book, textbook, and the price of each textbook is rupees 100. And if I want 5 textbook, I'll be paying 5 into 100, that means 500 rupees. It's like that only. Okay, so what we are doing, we realize that when we will be doing the multiplication of this one note's denomination, that is 50 rupees, the weightage of one note is 50 rupees. With x number of note, we will be getting the total amount. The weightage of one note, that is 100 rupees. With y number of notes, if we will be doing the multiplication, we will be getting the total amount, and the first total amount and the second total amount added together is how many? 2000 rupees. Okay, that is how we got our equation number 1. Now we are reading the statement again and again carefully to get the equation number 2. I have just kept it in a rectangular box. Here it is written that Meena got 25 notes in all. So in all she is having 25 notes. How many number of notes she is having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 25 notes she is having. Okay. So here we are writing x number of note x we have taken for one of the case, y we have taken for another case, that is x plus y is equals to 25. These two equation we are getting. Once we are able to frame the equation, now we just have to solve. Solving part is very simple. Please be careful while using the method of elimination or substitution. Just be careful with the calculation. Otherwise, if you have framed the equation correctly, your answer will be correct. Okay. One thing, please let me know. You are having NCRT in front of you, yes or no?
No, ma'am, not right now.
Not right now. Ziana, do you have NCRT in front of you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you checked your NCRT? That how many exercises are there in your NCRT?
Ma'am, last time I have checked it, so I think it is 3A, I think.
It is 3.3.
Yes, ma'am, last is this.
Last one is 3.1, 3.2, and last one is 3.3, right? After that,
Yes,
no other exercises there, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because in my NCRT also, the updated one which I am having, it is still 3.3. Still in the next class, please confirm once that in your NCRT also, is it up to 3.3 only? Okay, so this question is also very important. The sum of the digits, and this type of question you will see in the previous year question paper also. You will get this type of question, that the sum of digits of two digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. See what does the question says. Okay, the sum of digits of two digit number is 9. We are having a two digit number. To do this question, first we need to understand one scenario. Okay, suppose we are having a two digit number, let's say 52. Okay, or we are having a two digit number, let's say 35. Can I write this two digit number 52 as a 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1? Basically what I am doing, I am expanding it. This type of expansion you must have done in very lower classes. 5 is at tens place, one, this 2 is at ones place or unit place. So what we used to do, we used to multiply 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1. This is how we used to expand it. So can I write this 52 as a 50 plus 2? Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Or can I write this 52 as a like this also, 5 into 10 plus 2 only? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I can write, right? There is no difference between this number and this number. It is exactly same. Yes or no, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit,
Yes, ma'am. I'm saying yes.
uh, if we are having the other number that is 35, can we write it as a 3 into 10 plus 5? Yes, Diana?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please tell me, if we are having 92, how can we write it?
Ma'am, 9 into 10 plus 2.
Yeah, what? 9?
9 into 10 plus 2.
Perfect. If we are having 29, how to write it, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am. It will be 20 into 2 into 10 plus 9.
Perfect. So can you see the same digits I have taken 2 and 9, but since we are changing their place, the number is also, the expansion is also getting changed. Yes or no? According to their place value, tens place, ones place, right? Similarly, we are having the sum of the digits of two digit number. So we will assume that what is the number. See the ask part, what find the number. So what we will assume? We will assume the number. How we will assume the number? The two digit number we are having. So we will assume the number as a xy. Or maybe you can assume it as yx. Which one you want to take? Please tell me. Xy or yx? Because you know both are different, right?
XY, ma'am.
Xy. Okay, yes, Diana. Can we take xy?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take xy. Okay, two digit number. According to our assumption, we are taking as a xy. We are not taking yx because xy yx both are completely different. Now only we have seen 92 and 29. These two are completely different numbers. Okay, now xy, the sum of the digit of two digit number is 9. So the sum of the digit, can you tell me what will be the first equation? That is very simple. You will be able to frame it. Please tell me, Harshit and Siana.
X plus Y is equal to 9.
Perfect. X plus y is equals to 9. That's it. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Also, now the second equation. So far, is it clear, Ziana, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the second statement says that also 9 times this number, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. We have taken this one in consideration. Now reversing the order means when we will reverse the order, we will get this one. After reversing the order, reversing order, we will get xy will be is going to become yx. When we will reverse the order, when we will change the places, tens place digit we are going to keep at ones place, ones place digit we are going to keep at tens place. This is how we will reverse the order and xy will become yx. Okay, now let's see what the statement says. Carefully we will be reading. Also 9 times this number. Which number? The number which we have taken in consideration, the number which we have taken in consideration, 9 times this number. So 9 times this number. Do we want to take xy? No, we will write the expanded form of this number. Can you tell me what will be the expanded form of xy?
X plus Y.
Yes, x,
Plus Y.
x plus y you are saying, Ziana?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it x plus y? Yes, Harshit. Expanded form. See carefully. 52 became 5 into 10 plus 2. 35 became 3 into 10 plus 5. 92 became 9 into 10 plus 2. 29 became 2 into 10 plus 9. XY will become XY will become
Ma'am,
just
10x
like the
plus
other.
y.
Exactly. Can we say it will be 10x plus y? Harshit, can we say?
Yes, ma'am.
We can say it will be 10x plus y. So instead of this number as a xy, we can write it as a 10x plus y. We can write our number in expanded form. Still it is same. It is xy only. Okay. So what does the statement says? 9 times this number. Let me highlight it. Let me highlight it. 9 times this number. We have written 9 times this number. Is means is equals to. Is means is equal to. Is equal to twice the number obtained. Twice means 2 times the number obtained by reversing the order. When we will reverse the order of xy, we will be getting yx. Can you tell me how to write yx in this form, expanded form? How to write yx? Harshit, please tell me how to write yx.
Y into 10 plus x.
Exactly. 10y plus x, can we say?
Yes, ma'am.
We can say. So 2 into 10y plus x we are going to write. Let's read the whole statement in one go. Also 9 times this number. 9 times our number, our assumption in expanded form we have written. Still it's same xy. If we would have written xy, better to write it as a 10x plus y, so that we will be able to make a equation. Our equation in two variable, our equation pair of linear equation looks like x plus y, x minus y, like that, not x into y, right? So that's why we have written our number in expanded form, so that at last we will be getting x plus y, 10x plus y, maybe 10y plus y, or 20, whatever coefficient of x is there, but there will be addition and subtraction, not multiplication between x and y. Okay, that's why we have written our number in expanded form. So also 9 times this number, our number we have written is means is equals to twice the number obtained, is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. When we will reverse the order, xy became yx, and in expanded form yx became 10y plus x, is twice the reversed order. Is it clear? Our equation number 2 is clear to both of you? Is it clear, Ziana and Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we just need to simplify a bit our equation number 2. Still it is not arranged. We just have to arrange it. Let's see how can we arrange it. Let's do it. Okay. We just have to do the multiplication. 9 into 10, that is 90x. Plus 9 into y, that is 9y. Distributive property we are applying. Please tell me what will be there on the other side. Any of you?
20y plus 2x.
20y plus 2x. Harshit and Ziana, please simplify this equation and let me know what is the final equation you are getting. What are you getting? What are you getting?
Ma'am.
Harshit, Ziana.
Ma'am,
We
can
just
you hear
have
me?
to. Yeah. Yes, Ziana, you are saying something. Please tell.
Yes, ma'am. I got 8x equals to y
You are saying 8x.
equals to y. That's the final answer. Equal to y.
8x equals to y you are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Harshit, what are you getting?
Ma'am, 99x plus y is equal to 22 y plus 6.
Please repeat.
Ma'am, getting 99x plus y is equal to 22 y plus 6.
99x.
Plus y is equal to 22 y plus 6.
Okay, you have added both of them. Harshit, can we add like that? See,
Ma'am,
we can only add
we
the
have
like terms. 90x can be only done something, whatever we can do addition or subtraction, x can be done with x only. We cannot do 90x plus 9y. 9y we cannot add with that.
okay.
Okay, we have to just keep it in one side. 90x and 2x. So either we can just transpose this 90x to other side, or we can just take this 2x to this side. So if I am taking 2x to this side, it is becoming 90x minus 2x. X and x can be added and subtracted because it's a like term. We cannot add or subtract x and y. Right, Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Is equals to 20y is there, so we can either just shift this 9y to other side, or we can pull that 20y also to this side. These two are the possibility. If I am shifting this 9y to other side, it will become minus 9y. So 90x minus 2x is what?
88x,
88x. 20y minus 9y is what?
11y.
11y. If we want to keep both in one side, the way we always have the equation x minus y is equals to something, x plus y is equals to something. So if we want to keep it on one side, 88x minus 11y is equals to what? 0. Nothing is there. Okay. Can you tell me, Harshit, what can be taken as a common factor from this two term? Yes, Diana, your answer is perfect. What can be taken as a common factor? Just a second, no? Please tell me what can be taken as a common.
I'm 11.
Yeah, 11 can be taken as a common factor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will be having, what we'll be having in the bracket, the remaining part?
8x minus y.
8x minus y. And if we will shift this 11 on the other side, what we will be having?
8x minus y is equal to 11.
Is it 11?
Yes.
This 11 will go in the denominator, right? 0 by 11 is what?
11.
0 by
0, ma'am.
11 is, it's 0, right? It's 0. Please be careful while doing the calculation, Harshit. 8x equals to y
Yes.
is Diana. That's what we are getting. Okay. So our one of the equation is x plus y is equals to 9. One of the equation is x plus y is equals to 9. And the other equation is 8x minus y is equals to 0. Now we just have to solve this two equation to get the value of x and y. Please solve this two equation and let me know what are you getting as x and y. Okay, from here, please don't do the multiplication. Here we can see one of the coefficient is already same. Please work on that. Easily you will be able to eliminate that variable. Yes, Yana, done. Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Diana and Harshit, today we are not activating the assessment. A few more possible cases are there, which is from this pair of linear equation. We will discuss that and we'll wrap it up in the next class. Then you can give the assessment which is related to this topic. Okay. So we'll give the assignment homework we will give, but we will activate the assessment in the next class. Okay, which is related to this topic. Yes, Harshit and Ziana, what are you getting?
Ma'am, I'm getting y as a minus 1 by 2.
An excess?
I'm doing it, ma'am.
Excess 2? 2 you said?
No, ma'am, I'm just doing it.
Okay, doing it. Do it. Yes, Ziana, please do it.
I'm x as a 10.
X is a 10. Okay, I'm keeping this one. Yes, Ziana, what are you getting?
I'm getting y as 8
Y is a 8. X is a?
and x as 1.
Okay, let's check quickly. This 2 gone. 9x is equals to this 2 already gone. See, plus minus is there. If we will add this 2 equation, then only it will just cancel out. So x plus 5 plus 8x. Just a second. So we are having we when we will add this two equation, as I was telling you, when the sign is opposite, you just have to add it because addition sign will not change anything. So x plus y plus 8x minus y. See, x plus y plus 8x minus y plus y minus y gone. We are just adding both the side. We are just adding both the side and it became just 9 only. So 9x is equals to 9. See carefully, Harshit, we are getting x equals to 1. I was telling in the very beginning when I have given this for solving that please don't do the multiplication. If you will try making x and x same, that is also correct approach. But you have to save your time also. Apart from finding the solution, you should save your time. And if already one of the coefficient is same, then why to do the multiplication? Okay, x value, can you see, Harshit? We got 1.
Yes, ma'am.
If we will substitute x equals to 1 in any one of the equation, we will get, wait, if we will substitute x as a 1 in any one of the equation, we will get y as a 8. Okay, so yes, x is 1, y is 8. Perfect, Ziana. Yes, I am keeping it this much. And yes, Harshit, please do practice all the substitution method, elimination method. Just sit with all the question, do